Okay, so here we go. As you can see, the weeds are coming in so nicely. If we were trying to grow weeds, they wouldn't come in this nice at all. But because we're not, they're just having a blast this winter. We can see we still have a lot of plants that we let die, and we're going to cut back in the next couple weeks when we clean out the garden. These right here, they look pretty, but they're actually weeds. Now, this plant right here is flowers that I was hoping would survive the winter, and this one too, and they look like they're doing pretty good. We haven't had a super hard freeze. This right here is mint, and if you'll recall me telling you, you have to be very careful planting mint because it's invasive. Do we remember what invasive is? That means it goes everywhere, and if you take a look to where the basil likes to live, we can see the mint has spread. So that's something that's going to have to be dug out, and we'll have to keep working on keeping it cut back through the summer because it looks like it's really happy there. We've got our oregano going and our rosemary, and those are going to have to be cut back too. You can see the oregano has some brown spots. That's from the cold weather, but we're going to cut it way back and it's going to be just fine. Moving on to our carrots, look how big they're getting. Look how tall these carrot stalks are getting. I'm so excited. This is the most successful carrots I've ever seen. Now these look really good here, but what do we notice about our friends here? Oh my gosh, that has been chewed on. So somebody else has been out here and has been enjoying our carrots. I wonder what it could be. Do you think it's the skunk I'm smelling? Do skunks like carrots? I'm not sure. Rabbits maybe? What about raccoons? We get those too, along with possums. I've seen possums out here. Now take a look at the lettuce. Look at how big the lettuce is getting. These were itty bitty tiny lettuces when I transplanted them, and they're still growing. They're growing slowly though because it's been cold and it's a cold weather plant, so I don't know how much longer it'll take. The other thing that I realized is because the markers wore off, I don't know which kinds of lettuce are which until they actually get full grown. So it's been a mystery crop this whole winter season. Here's our lovely weeds coming in nice and strong. And we talked today at lunch about these little guys right here, the mystery vegetables. Now the girls I was talking to said they thought that these vegetables right here were cauliflower. Are we still thinking cauliflower? I don't know, I think they might be right. I can't see broccoli looking like that, but we'll find out. And then remember I said how hard it is to grow onions? Look at these guys. These little onion stalks, they're growing up so nice. So I am excited about those to see what's going to happen. So that's really all we've got going right now. Just still a winter day, still a very messy garden. Spring's going to require a lot of cleanup out here, so that should be interesting. And when the lettuce gets big enough, we'll bring some up and you guys can take some home or make some salads in Miss Dinkler's class. So I hope you all stay warm and we'll talk again soon. Bye now.